So one of the things that we started in the center were projects with companies. So that is something that now is called experiential learning. There are many more schools and many more areas that sort of do that as commonplace. Case competitions, when we started, there were perhaps just a couple. Now there are far more case competitions that students engage in. One of the things that we had always done was to encourage global participation in these case competitions. And last year, we had 2 or 3 schools that flew over 8,000 miles to come here to participate. So I think the idea of global case competitions is now becoming more commonplace. The part that's still a work in progress is the connection between these applied projects involving master's students and what might be thought of as deeper academic research that faculty engage in. That's a work in progress. It's a work in progress because the time scales are different. But in a lot of our projects, we have a lot of our faculty involved in the loop. Now, they may not write those papers while the project is being done, but we continue to hope that that would be something interesting and vibrant that would go on. Part of what we're going to continue to look for, there was a period of time where we had funding from the DeVos family, and we would give out these summer awards to faculty to work on open-ended research projects. This went on for 5 years, and faculty would work on their area of research, but then report back and talk to industry during our conferences. We look forward to finding those opportunities for faculty, things in which faculty propose projects. These projects are related to their area of research, but they also try to find a way to make the results of that research available and accessible to industry. That's something we hope to get back to. That's something that does require specific earmarked funding from companies and from foundations. So we look forward to doing more of that. This is sort of a mix of things. Some of them have gotten adopted. Some of them we're looking to continue. And some of them might be wonderful things to happen in the future. One of the things that we're trying now, DCMME now has an engagement center where we're trying to experiment with students thinking about technology within a business application domain. And what I mean by that is it's not in the development of the technology, but in the integration of the technology into manufacturing. We have very high hopes for that engagement center. And part of the way that we're trying to remain rooted in an application domain is we're taking projects that we get from the Indiana Manufacturing Center and trying to get them prototyped and applied in this engagement center. So this is a work in progress. This is something new and different. I don't think I can think of any other business school that has a center like this. And I think that if we're successful with that, we might be a leader in this space of how best to get our master's and undergraduate students in business to be thinking about technology and all that it offers for competitiveness. So that's something that I'm looking forward to continuing to be engaged in.